Akak, do you want to play a card with me?
Oh dear, I want to watch TV Maths DLP. Next week I got PBD.
But just for a bit. I'm so bored right now. Please.
Okay, anything for you.
Yay!
Okay, now. Aka want to test your general knowledge.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, please state the country that I will tell is located on east or west from Malaysia, from our country.
Okay, sure.
Are you ready?
Yes,
Have you
I'm
learned
ready.
in school?
Feeling quite confident.
Just state east or west. Okay, first thing. Greenland.
Greenland is east.
You're right. Okay, Dhaka.
Dhaka, west.
Okay, here you go, New Delhi.
New Delhi is west.
Wow, my sister is doing great.
Yay!
How about New Zealand?
East.
Okay.
Did I get it right?
Yeah. Oh dear.
East or west,
TV is the best.
Didik TV KPM.
Hello. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. You're watching Didik TV KPM and today for our Tahap 2 slot, we are learning mathematics in DLP. But before we get further into that, pupils, let's first take a look at our teacher's profile. There you have it. But before we get further into that as well, let's first introduce our sign language interpreter for today, Teacher Syamila Nair, anak perempuan Chandran from SK Pendidikan Khas Jalan Pil, Kuala Lumpur. Thank you, teacher, for being with us today. Alright, and also in the studio with us, none other than our mathematics teacher, Teacher Kalai. Hi, teacher, how are you?
Hi Syafiqah, I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing great as well. I love your smile, teacher. Now, to introduce more to our pupils, our teacher's full name is Teacher Kalaivaani, anak perempuan Suppiah from SJKT Batu Caves, Selangor, right, teacher?
Yes.
All right. When we're talking about mathematics, I wonder, just now we were wondering east or west for the countries involved. So how does that relate to our topic for today, Miss Kalai?
You're wondering about the topic, right?
Yes.
Okay. Before that, could you tell what's the time now, dear?
Now is... Wait, I forgot my watch, teacher. Maybe roughly around... What time is it, pupils? They saying it's around 4 p.m. or something like that. Not too sure.
Okay, it's going to be 4:50. Okay, right. Okay. Can you tell me, is that time in Oklahoma, America is same time with Malaysia?
I don't think so, teacher. No.
Oh, okay. You answered no. Okay. Ever you wonder why the time is different in different countries, Syafiqah?
Well, to answer that question, I'm not too sure. But I know sometimes when we're in the day right now, some other countries are at night.
At night, right. While we are having breakfast here, they are sleeping there,
yes.
right? Okay. Have you ever travelled to foreign countries, overseas, and have you experienced the time change?
I did before I went to London.
Wow, great.
Wow, I was so jet lagged for that. The time difference is too big.
Okay. How is that possible?
I'm not sure, teacher. Perhaps it's because
Is
we
that
are
the time
located.
travels?
I don't think so.
Of
There's no
course
such
no,
thing as time
right?
travel.
Yes, of course no. Okay, let's introduce today's topic for you.
Okay, I would like to know.
Okay, so it's about time zone. Okay, it's about time zone. What is time zone? Of course, we know that sun's position is different in different places, right?
Right.
Okay, that's why we experience the time change in each country, different country. Okay, and also for your information, our world is divided into 24 different time zones. Okay.
Okay.
Do you know that before?
24 time zones.
Yes.
Yes, I've heard about it.
And of course, the times is different to differ to country to country. Okay.
Okay.
This time zone is different because the world is divided into 24 time zone and it is located on the 0 degree, which is the longitude falls on Europe.
Okay. Oh, so Europe is
especially
on the 0.
London. Okay.
All right.
Okay. So the time calculation start from the line 0, which is known as meridian Greenwich line or GMT, Greenwich Mean Time.
Okay.
So everyone must know what is that GMT. Okay. So now, as our objective today, people will recognize the time zone, as I introduced just now, and then people will be able to calculate the time difference as well as the time between two countries or two cities which is located in different time zone.
No
so
wonder.
now people's out there and hosts here, you are aware already what is time zone.
Okay.
And next we move on to calculate the time difference. Okay.
All right.
Before that, you must know, you must able to identify the time in 12-hour system and also in 24-hour system. What is that 12 hours and 24 hours, my dear?
Oh, well, I think it's those involving AM and PM. And when you have more than 12 o'clock, it turns into another number. Right, teacher?
Yes, because in one day we have 24 hours. Okay, as you said, you are right, AM. AM is anti-meridian and PM is the post-meridian. Okay, in our life, each day is divided into two parts, as you said, 12 hours each, morning and night, right? Okay, the time from 12 midnight till 12 noon is when is written as AM or anti-meridian. Okay, the time from 12 noon till 12 midnight is written as PM or post-meridian, and 12 midnight is known as 0 hour. It's not 12 AM. It's not 12 AM. It's counted at 0.
0.
Okay, because the day end 24 hours and the 0. The new day beginning with the 0. Okay, no such 12 AM. No such thing. Okay, and then. So this is the 12 hours and 24 hour system. Okay. So examples here. Okay, let's say 5:20 AM. So in 24 hours we say it as 5:20 hours.
5:20
For example, 10:30 PM given, 10:50 PM given here. In 24 hours, we state as 22:50 hours. Okay. So how to write the 12 hours and 24 hours? Okay, 12 hours you must state AM or PM. Okay, and for 24 hours, you must just write the 4 digits as well, and followed by the hours behind. Okay, just a small activity for you, my dear. Okay, there is a flip-flop cards there. Okay, I want you to take it out and then you match with the correct 12 hours and also 24 hours.
Okay, I'll take this out first. The first number that I have here is this one.
1750 hours. It is in 24 hours, right?
Yes.
Okay, now you match it with the 12 hours.
12
time.
hours. Okay, let me do that quickly.
17, 15 hours. In
is
12
the
hours.
same as... I got it. It's this one. Perhaps pupils at home can see if I got it correct or not.
Yes. Is that
Teacher
correct,
Kalai?
my dear kids? Yes.
How is my
Our
answer?
Shafiqah is correct. Yes.
I'm correct?
Yes, you are right.
Yay. Okay, great.
Shall we
move
try
on?
another one?
Let's try another one. My next card is 2:20
This
PM.
is in 12-hour system. Okay. Now we match it with the 24 hours.
24 hours. All right, let's see.
2:20 PM.
I have it here.
14:20. Wow, great job. Okay. It's a smiley badge for you, Shafiqah.
Thank you, Ms. Kalai.
You can get it.
All right, let's proceed.
Okay, yes. The next, okay. How to find the time difference between two countries located in different time zone, dear, okay? So now I'm going to give you a smart note, okay? So how to find the time difference, okay? Usually you can use the app, okay? As you can see on the screen, we can use that time zone converter just on your handphone or on your laptop, okay? And then you just key in the country with the time, then the converter, the time difference calculator will give you the exact time.
Wow,
Okay.
that's easy.
Yes, but for kids out there, of course, our kids, okay, they couldn't use this in their classroom.
Yes, they
okay. So
can't.
what they have to do? Okay, so these are the smart notes. Okay, to determine the position. Okay, first step, you have to determine the position of the country, whether it is to the east or to the west. Okay. Second thing, get the time difference between the two countries. Remember, only two countries will be given, and you have to find the time difference. Sometimes the time difference is given in the question. If not, sometimes you have to find the time difference. Okay. To get the time difference, just minus. Okay. Okay. And then third step, if the country of the city is located on the east, you have to add the time with the time different period. Okay. Second condition, if the country or the city is on the west, you have to subtract by the time difference period. So to add or subtract, we have to have the time difference. We have to know the time difference, then only you can proceed with addition or subtraction. And for that, you must know the location, the position of the country. Here we have two situations. The country, one is we are seeking for, the other one is referred. Okay, in this content, normally the referred country is Malaysia, our country. Okay, the seeking one is the question. So seeking country is just find the position either on east or west. Okay, and then okay, I explain some examples on you. Okay, can you see in the screen? Given time in Malaysia, remember I said just now referred country is Malaysia, is 7:30 a.m. Wednesday. Determine the time in New Zealand. Now we are going to find the time in New Zealand. So Shafiqah, what you must have to find the time in New Zealand?
The first step is to know the location, east or west for Malaysia.
Okay, and then the second one, we must know
the second one, we have to know the time difference.
Time difference, yes. These two things are important. Okay, time difference given 5 hours. That is to Malaysia and New Zealand. Okay, the location east of Malaysia. Now the seeking country is New Zealand.
Right.
So it is located on the east of Malaysia. So if east, what we must do, dear?
You have to add the time with the time difference period.
Always country on the east side is earlier, right? The time is earlier. Okay, earlier hit. Okay, so this is the example. So remember, time in Malaysia is 7:30 a.m. The time difference between two countries is 5 hours. So we add it. Okay, so we will get 11:30 a.m. Wednesday. That means on the same day.
Right.
Okay, kids out there, if it is less than 12, it will remain on the same day. Okay, so what's the time?
11:30 a.m. Wednesday.
Wednesday at New Zealand,
At New Zealand.
Yes. Okay. Second example, given the time in Malaysia is 7:30 a.m. Wednesday, the same day, same time. Determine the time in United Kingdom. Wow. Okay, all the football team lovers.
Yes.
Okay. So what's the time difference?
8 hours.
8 hours. The location? United
West of
UK is located on the west of Malaysia. Of course, it is western country, right? Okay. So since we have these two, what we have to do, dear?
We have to first, when it's west, we have to subtract
Yes,
the time.
you're right. Okay, just see at the screen, 7:30 a.m. in the Malaysia, and the difference is 8 hours. Okay, when you subtract, it will get 23:30. How possible is that to get 23? Okay, could you minus 8 from 7?
No.
No, right. So in this case, we have to convert. We have to add 24 hours with the 7, and then only we minus the 8. So we'll get 23:30. That means what's time at the UK?
It's 11:30 p.m. on Tuesday in the UK.
Here you can state either in 24 hours. If 24 hours is 23:30 hours, or in 12-hour system is 11:30 p.m. Tuesday.
Wow,
Okay.
such a big time difference there.
Yes.
All right, Ms. Kalai, I've learned a lot, and I hope you all are watching learned a lot too. We'll be going for a short break first, and we'll be right back here on DD TV KPM.